Good evening, Nikhil, Sai Venkatesh, Radha, Sripriya, Rishita. Vivek, Jain, Bhavya, good evening, all of you. Oh, after a long time, how are you, students? How are you? Good evening, Ravardhan. All of you give me quick attendance. So, dear students, I want to simplify mathematics as ఎంత పాసిబుల్ అయితే అంతవరకు మ్యాథ్స్ మొత్తాన్ని I just want to simplify for you people, right? So we are going to discuss the total mathematics, a complete mathematics, complete maths in 120 clock hours. Can you say? Complete maths in 120 class hours. And this will be useful for IIT JEE, EAMCET, BITSAT, or all state level or central or university level, all competitive exams which are there in math, which are there with the math. Complete maths in 120 hours, which will be benefit for all the competitive exams across the field, whatever you will get. Either it may be mains, advance, EAMCET, BITSAT, or any state level exam. Any state level exam. All right. Ketna dores kora? All right. So here I am going to introduce the first time in mathematics one beautiful thing called as 210 concepts. Spell it, all of you. 210 concepts. This is such a beautiful thing which will help you a lot, and it will completely simplify this math. Whether it may be any exam, any competitive exam, it doesn't matter the name of the exam. What matters is the concept. Are you able to follow me? So there are 210 concepts for advanced level, and we will learn each concept is just half an hour. Can you repeat? Just half an hour to teach the concept and to do 10 questions on the concept. So in this half an hour, concept will be taught, 10 solved questions will be done, and later you will get 10 questions as a homework. I think all of you getting what I'm saying, dear students. In these 10 solved examples, we will do mains, advanced, BITS, EAMCET, and irrespective of the different competitive exams throughout India. Like that, this total maths 210 into half an hour, it will go to how much time? Can anyone calculate and give it to me quickly? Are you able to follow me? This will goes to 105 hours. After this 105 hours, I gave you 15 hours buffer time. If you have any doubt in any concept, a quick revision of all those 210 concepts, wherever you have some doubt, we are going to discuss those in another 15 clock hours. Together adds to 120 hours, a complete pack of maths. Complete package of mathematics. And we are going to launch our website very soon, mostly in another 2-3 days. Trial version is going on. Once you got website, means you won't get links in your WhatsApp or in mail, because many are misusing those links. As one guy is asking, Radha, I think he's asking, is it will appear every day in YouTube? No, not at all possible. So these links will go to a dashboard, will be there on your name in our website. In our website and in our app, both are there. So in this dashboard, complete things of you will be there. Here, live classes will be there. Already completed classes will be there in the chapter wise and the concepts wise. And lot of assignments, books will be there to download. But don't forget, you cannot share this with anyone. If you share it, means it will get expired for you also. That technique will be there. We are going to launch website as soon as possible. We are working on it. It will take another 2-3 days to publicly launch the website. I think all of you got it. So there is no misuse of it. Possibility undadu. So meeru prashantanga, you people can completely focus on this class. So in this, the first concept is solving of basic equations is the concept one. Can you put all of you in the 210 concepts? The first concept is solving of basic inequations. What is the meaning of basic? We are going to start all the chapters from the basics. Quick revision of basics, which are very useful to your advanced level subject. Solving of basic equations. Concept 2, we will go solving of all basic inequations. Inequalities, we can say. Dear students, are you able to follow me? We divided total mathematics into 210 concepts. In those 210 concepts, the things will start from the basic and slowly will go in depth. The first one is solving of basic equations. Today we'll get to know how important these basic equations. The second one is solving of basic inequalities. The third one is basics in logarithms. Or else here is, I can go with the third one, wavy curvy method. Solving of inequalities. And the fourth one is basics in logarithms. And fifth one is basics in determinants. And sixth one is basics in progressions. These are not complete chapter, only basics. And seventh one goes to basics in differentiation. Eighth one goes to basics in integration. Can you write it? Ninth one goes to, are you able to follow me? Drawing of basic graphs. Tenth one is solving by using polynomial equations. Once you complete all these 10 basic points, we will start from Monday. Do you know what is the topic we are starting is? Limits. Your original schedule I gave from 26th of this month. Am I right? Limits as the 4 hours class, 2 days class, 1 day is 2 hours, another day is 2 hours. 4 hours means how many concepts? It's 8 concepts. I think all of you got it. We will learn this original IIT Advance level concepts from Monday onwards. So by Monday, we are going to do what? We are going to learn all basics, quick revision. All right. So can you quickly write all these basic concepts quickly? Solving of basic equations, solving of basic inequalities, and wavy curvy method of solving of inequalities. The fourth one is basics in logarithms. And fifth one is basics in determinants. And sixth one is basics in progressions. Seventh one is basics in differentiation. Next, basics in integration. Next, basics of drawing graphs. Basic graphs will be there. We have to know those graphs. 10th one is solving by using a polynomial equations. Have you got everyone? As many students doesn't have a first year basics clarity, they have a worry that am I suitable for this type of highly competitive exams called IITs, NITs, Triplets or BITS at the top deemed universities throughout India. This is the question mark for everyone. And almost every student have that doubt. Am I suitable for this competitive exam? అందరు చదివేస్తున్నారు నేనేం చదవట్లేదు. Am I suitable for? Am I suitable for? This is the doubt. Is that right, my dear students? No doubt about it. Work like anything, this 120 hours, get everything clearly. Just apply it. You will get many things. Shall I go with the first concept of today? Are you ready, dear students? Kirtana, నీకు వినపడట్లేదా? డోర్ వేసేసుకో. All right. Shall we go with the first one? Shall we go with the first one? What are you doing? Solving of basic equations. Write these notes very clearly. This will benefit you, help you a lot. Quickly respond for these basics. If you don't have these basics, if you build anything, that will obviously collapse. So the concept one is solving of basic equations. In that, the first one is, if I have A into B is equal to 0, then can you give me quickly? If you have A into B is 0, then can you give me the concept clearly? Can you explain when that will be 0, Ravi? Option A 0, B belongs to real number. Option B, A belongs to real number, B is 0. Option C, both A 0 and B 0. Have you got it? This is the concept which we are going to do now. Which we are going to do now. How many of you got this? Have you got this, my dear students? Have you got this concept, or anyone has any doubt in this concept? Do you have any doubt in this concept? Is there anyone has any doubt in this concept? Everyone got it, I think. Product of two numbers will be 0 only if each number is 0 or both the numbers are 0, then only it will be 0. That's it. That's it. Shall we do question number 1? Are you ready, Nana? Shall we do question number 1? Shall we do question number 1? Now you have to apply it. You have to apply. Take it on. Question number 1 is solve x cube minus 4x into root of x square minus 1 equal to 0. Do you know the meaning of solve? Solve means, right down there, first you should understand the meaning. Solve means finding real values of x. Solve means finding the real values of x. Do you know what is the real values? If you don't know, I'm teaching here. Look here. This is called real number line from your school days. On this real number line, you will have 0 here. This side you will have positive, right side, left side you will have negative. I am putting here +1, and this side I am putting -2, minus pi, something like that. Or here I am putting √2, something like this. So I can have all the numbers between -infinite to +infinite. All these numbers are called real numbers. And look here, dear student, the real number is represented as open -infinite to close open -infinite. I will teach you why it is open in the coming things. And R plus means, somebody if is saying R plus means in the right side of 0, this part which I am marking with the red is called R plus. Can you say R plus is 0 open to infinite? If somebody is asking R minus, can you give me the R minus? Can you quickly give me R minus is? Can anyone give me, my dear students, -infinite to 0 open? This is called R minus. So if you look at this thing, solve x cube minus 4x into under root of x square minus 1 equal to 0 means finding the real values of x. Can you solve it? Hey, this is just based on this concept. A into B is 0 means what? Is there anyone got correct answers? What are the values of X you got? Can you say Ranana? So if this is 0 means this may be 0 or this may be 0 or both may be 0. Now look here, by taking this, by solving this, and by solving this, my X value is plus or minus 1. Can you put quick answer, all of you dear students? Can you put all of you? Have you got answer to this thing? But this is not the final answer. These are not the final answers. When you look at this thing, you are getting by putting X 0 here. I am getting root of 0 minus 1, root minus 1. Never and ever. Inside the root you should not get negative. Therefore, X equal to 0 is not valid. How many of you got it? When you put this 1 here, it's valid. When you put this 1 here, it is valid. When I put x2 here, it's not 0, but this is becoming 0. Now go to your question and put x1. Put x1 here in the question. Check x1 means this is becoming 0 for x equal to 1. This is not equal to 0. Of course, real number into 0 is 0 only. Yeah, valid. It's valid, huh? So the answer is, therefore the answer is x belongs to plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus 1. That's very beautiful, Sri Priya and Rishita. Wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful, Sri Priya and Rishita. Next question is it okay? So, x minus 1 by x minus 2 or else, yeah, is equal to 2 minus 1 by x minus 2. Solve this thing. Answer is 2, 0, plus or minus 2. No solution. Something like this they give. This says means 2012. This is means 2012. Can you give me answer? Option A, that's option A. This is a blunder. It's wrong. Many people blindly cancel these two and they will get to 2. It's wrong. It's wrong. Why, sir, it is wrong? The reason is at x equal to 2, you are getting 2 minus infinite is equal to minus infinite. My dear beautiful students, infinite is not a number, it's a symbol. Can you write it? Infinite is not a number. It's a symbol. So whenever you are solving a question, no. Whenever solving a question, so in the question or in the answer, during that solving, we should not get this plus or minus infinite values. Infinite means undefined. We cannot define it. So the answer for this is X should see to cancel this, my dear students. Note. To cancel this, X should not be 2. Then by cancelling it, I am getting X equal to 2. But we assumed X is not equal to 2. So the answer is no. So how many of you got? No solution. How many of you got it? You got it. The next one is how they are asking in EAMCET mains BITSAT. Just look here. This is the previous EAMCET question. If d by dx of then a square plus b square is dash. This is the previous EAMCET question. And recently in BITSAT they asked like this: if integral of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 dx is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then a plus b plus c is dash. A plus b plus d is dash. An answer they gave for this option is A is 1, B is 2 by 3, C is 1 by 3. And D is none. I know many students generally do this question as wrong. Shall I move? Shall I move, dear students? So the first question answer is, look here, I am explaining. I know many will struggle because many of you don't know the basic beautiful factors of this. Look here, how they are asking. Note, write up, write up, write up, note. Note. X power 4 plus x square plus 1 is, I am writing it into perfect square. I just write 2 times of x square, means I added it into 1, I can write. So this is 1 and minus x square added. Just I am making perfect square, just follow me carefully. So when I simplify this, have you got the factors? Now go to that question. What is that? D by dx. I can write this fellow, always remember this fellow is nothing but what? X square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Write it there. So what? By what they gave, Rabbi? They gave it as x square plus x plus 1. Cut cheste. I can cut these two. By cutting it, I am getting it as d by dx. What is the derivative of x square is? It's 2x. Minus x is 1. Plus derivative of 1 is 0. Are you getting? But they give, this is nothing but two x minus 1 is ax plus b. Can you give me a square plus b square is? It's 5. Are you getting what I said? How many of you got this beautiful concept and question? So the thing you have to remember is, this is the thing you have to remember always. Remember this beautiful thing. Remember this beautiful thing. Can you remember this? Have you got it? Can you do the similar with this next question? Write notebook very clearly. Write notebook very clearly. Nora Venkatesh, let me solve it. So what about this question is? Integral of this is the thing they are asking. So what you will get by doing this? Your factors will get cancelled and you will get something like this. you will get something like this. And when I solve this, do you know integral of x power n dx is? Do you know this formula or not? So x square integration is 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus 1 3. Nothing is there means power 1 is there. You can write 1 plus 1 2 by 2. For 1 it is x plus k they are writing it is a d. D is a constant. So what is A? A is 1 by 3, B is 1 by 2 and C is 1. Add all this. So what is A plus B plus 3 is 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Cut cheste 11 by 6. How many of you got this? Very small basic question. But in IIT, almost 99% of the students will never do these type of questions. The reason, they don't know the factors. That is from school days factors. That factors you will get from school days. I think almost all you people got it. Have you got the clarity now? What a beautiful basic question it is. So, can you remember this beautiful point? No. What is that notice? Highly useful factor is x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is. Write it somewhere very carefully and clearly. That's it. Have you got it right? Where is the remaining? Jain, Radha, Rishita, Vardhan, Sri Priya, are you people are there? Sahiti, where are all these students? Kartikeya, Vivek, where is Ashrita? Ashrita is not there. Akshaya, Sri Harsha. I think every one of you got these basics. Till here, is there any doubt to anyone? Now next point in this basics is, in this basic solving equations is, sum of squares is 0 means sum of squares is 0 means each term should be 0. Sum of squares of the terms will be 0 only if each term is 0. That is, for example, a square plus b square is 0, which means that a should be 0, b should be 0, something like this. Are you getting what I'm saying? Both should be 0, then only it will be 0, possibility will be there. Question number 1. Sum of squares of non-negative terms is 0. If and only if each term is 0. That's a concept. Example, solve x plus 1 whole square plus x square plus 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. If you see something like this, what you should do, Rabbi? I know many students will simplify this and many will simplify this and they will get one big 4th degree equation, then they will try to solve it. It's a big blunder. Sum of squares will be 0 only if each term is 0. Check where simultaneously both are becoming 0. That will be the answer. What are the factors for this? Do you know the factors for this? What is the common for both is? So common value is are you getting? Are you getting what I'm saying? Have you got it? Can you solve few more questions which I'm giving now? Can you solve few more questions? Highly important for highly advanced tough questions can be solved by using these beautiful basics. Very beautiful basics these are. Solve. I'm giving quick answer. Give me answer. Quick answer I'm expecting. Solve. Mod of x square minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square plus x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. You can rewrite that statement. Note, you can rewrite that statement as like this. The sum of several non-negative terms is 0 if and only if each term is 0. Have you got it? So what can we do this? This is a positive term. Mod always gives you a positive. Square always gives you a positive. Root always gives you a positive. Sum of positive terms will be 0 only if each term is 0. That's beautiful, Rishita, Priya, and make it. Make it each term 0. Quickly make each term 0. Make it each term is 0. This also make each term 0. Means x minus 1, x minus 2 is 0. From this I can get it is 1 or 2. Common value is, can you give me the common value in all this is? 1. So the answer is x is equal to 1. How many of you got it? Have you got it? Have you got it? Any one of you have any doubt here, dear students? Spell it if you have any doubt. Can you spell it if you have any doubt here? Can you give clarity? Amma, are you able to follow me, Ranana? Are you able to follow me, my dear students? Give me the clarity. Are you able to follow me? That's my dear beautiful students. Very good. ఇప్పుడు ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తా, నేను హెల్ప్ చేయను, మీరే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. Give me the correct confidence, clear cut answer. Solve. I said solve means getting real values. Challenger, will you take the challenge? Give me the correct answer. Solve. Solve this. Do you know, Ranana, this question is BITSAT. You know BITSAT? One of the top 10 colleges. 2019 question. Can you give me the correct answer? I am expecting answer from you. Correct answer. Wow, Nikhil, Sripriya, that's the beautiful students you are. What a beautiful students. Bhavya, what a good students you are. This says the answer. No solution. Wow. Rishita, ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని గట్టిగా కష్టపడండి ఐఐటి మీద అవుతుందిరా భయ్. You can get IIT, Ranan. You can get IIT if you just do and follow the things what we are giving. What a good students I have today. Positive. Positive. Sum of positive terms is equal to 0 only. Each term is 0. Means x is equal to minus. Each term is 0, which means x is equal to 1. Here is x equal to minus 1 and here is x equal to 1. Both are not simultaneously satisfying, means no common solution, no common value of x. Therefore, no solution. How many of you got this answer? Have you got it? Or shall I explain it? Have you got it, dear students? Is there anyone who want explanation for this? అర్థమైందా నేను మరలా చెప్పాలా? Why it doesn't have any solution? Why it doesn't have any solution, Ranana? I think every one of you got this. Right up? That's it, my dear beautiful students. I think every one of you getting these basics, Rana. Shall I go to the next set of questions? No. Next thing. Solve 3 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 5 power x. Are you enjoying this class or are you feeling bored? Are you learning anything here? Or you people are feeling bored? Are you learning anything, dear students? No, you give me the correct answer without options. The only real value which satisfies this is, the only real value which satisfies this is 2 minus 2, 0. No solution. The only real value which satisfies this is answer is 2. But how? How? Venkatesh, don't sleep. Be active. Do you know Pythagoras triplet? 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square. Pythagoras triplet means A, B, C, C square is Are you getting what I'm saying? Do you know examples of Pythagorean triplets? Write it. Pythagorean triplets is. Do you know where you will get these beautiful things? You will get from school days. You will get from school days. Did you remember the general form of a Pythagorean triplet? One batch is 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Right? Are you getting what I'm saying? Eight, 15, 17. Like that you will get lot of triplets, but you should remember at least few numbers. Let me teach what are those general form. General form of Pythagorean triplet is m square minus 1 whole square plus 2m whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Therefore, the triplet is, remember this general form, m square minus 1 comma 2m comma m square plus 1. This is the triplet, and here m belongs to natural number, or m belongs to, I can say, integer. M belongs to integer. Let me put m is equal to 2. Let me put m is equal to 2. Can we go with m belongs to natural number, Ranana? And n is not equal to 1. Why? If it becomes 1, minus 1, 2, it won't become valid. So m is 2 I am putting. Can you give me the triplet what I am getting? When I put m is 2, what is my triplet is? 2 square minus 1, 3 comma 4 comma 5. This is the triplet we got. Are you able to follow me? This is the triplet we got. Right, students? Put m 3. What you are getting by putting m is 3. 9 minus 1, 8 comma 6 comma. It's nothing but 10. Yes, we got the second one. Hello, follow Tunara. Are you able to follow me? When m is 4. Dear students, put 4 and give me quick triplet which you are getting. 8 comma 15 comma 17. All right? By putting M5, can you give me one triplet which you are getting? 25 minus 1, it is 24. 10, 24, and it's 26. That's beautiful. Can you write one question now? Can you write one question now, dear students? Very beautiful question. Almost all, many students are giving wrong answer. Can we go with one question now? I know many students, I am giving this question from long back. We observed that many students are giving wrong answer. Many students are giving wrong answer. Can you give me quick answer? Correct answer. Shall we go? Solve. Solve. 4 power x plus 6 power x is equal to 9 power x. Is there anyone who can give me the correct answer? Can you solve it? Anyone got answer? So, where is the answer? Can you solve it and give me quick answer? Anyone if you have any doubt? Or let me solve it. Shall I explain, Ra? Students, think no one is getting answer. Ah. So let me solve because you people are taking a lot of time. I am completely dividing with 4 power x. I think Rishita used the calculator. 1 plus 6 by 4 whole power x. By simplifying this, this can also be written as now what I am taking is I am assuming this is t. Therefore, this will become t square. Can you solve it now? T square minus t minus 1 equal to 0. So by solving it is t is nothing but, can you say what you are getting t is? Minus of minus 1 quadratic equation, you know that? Root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That's nothing but 1 plus root 5 by, or plus or minus, root 5 by 2. When I simplify this, I will get root 5 plus 1 by 2 and minus root 5 plus 1 by 2. But dear students, this is negative. So this won't possible. So only this will be possible. Can you write? Therefore, 3 by 2 whole power x is root 5 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, x is, can you say log of root 5 plus 1 by 2 to the base 3 by 2. Take down this as the answer. What a beautiful question. What a beautiful question it is. Take it up, take it up. We'll do a few more questions on solving and then we'll go to inequalities. And we will go to inequalities. Take down question number, next question. Number of real roots of the equation. Number of real roots of the equation. Can you give me a quick answer? Sorry, how many real roots? It's no solution. That's the beautiful, Ranana. That's beautiful. Answer is no solution. Why? Sum of squares will be 0 only if each term is 0. There is no common value which satisfies this. So answer is, have you got it? Can you check once? Do you have any doubt in this? Students, just observe that. If you have any doubt, I will explain again. If you have any doubt, I will explain again. All right, next. Last two questions. Solve solve this thing or find this value. Instead of solving, we can say find this value. Find. Nikhil, you will get in the assignments, Rabbi. Find this value. Hey, where is the remaining students? Where is the Radha, Vardhan, Vivek, Jain, Sahiti, Akshaya, Ashrita, Bhavya? Where are you people? You are not giving any answers. Second one is, third one is, yes. That's correct, Radha. Very good, Radha. Can you give me answer for all these three questions? Can you give me quick answer for all these three? Very nice questions, Ranana. All these three are. What a beautiful questions are. Third question is 2. That's the correct answer, Nikhil. Hey, Radha, think. Can you give me the correct answer? I will teach you one question. Can you follow me? I will teach you one question, dear students. You just follow me. So take this question and give me correct answer. Try. No. Root of A, root of A, root of A, and so on, infinite. Let this total is a big ocean. I am assuming that ocean is X. Assume this A is a drop from the ocean. If I take one drop from the ocean, can the remaining will become ocean only, or it will be less than ocean? So I can replace 1A and the remaining with again with X only now. Therefore, it will become root of A into X, which is equal to X squaring on both sides. This is nothing but Ax is equal to X square. When I cut X, my X is A. So the answer is, for the third question, answer is it's 2. Whatever you are starting, that will be the answer. Are you getting what I'm saying? Can you follow the similar way for the remaining? Assume that total as X and replace, assume this total as X, dear students. This total as X. Now you just replace this with X. So what I will get? Root of 2 plus X is equal to X. Squaring on both sides. What I will get, Ranana? X square minus X minus 2 equal to 0. Then by solving it, X square minus 2X plus minus 2 equal to 0. When I cut it, I will get it as this thing. But dear students, focus here. X is minus 1 and X is 2. The only validity is X is 2. Any doubt? Is there any doubt, dear students, why this is not possible? Because the root cannot be negative. Root cannot be negative. So the answer for this question is, how much it is? 2. Wow, what a question it is. Can you look at the last? That's the first question. Assume this is total is X. Now can I replace this is the total value as X now? Therefore it will become 2 plus 1 by X is X. Squaring on both sides. 4 is equal to, otherwise you can directly do LCM, no need of squaring. Can you convert this into quadratic? Here itself you can convert, right? Can you simplify it? 2x plus 1 is x square. So x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So what you will get? Plus or minus you will get, but only plus will be valid. So answer is, students able to follow me. How many of you are able to follow me, Ranana? Can you say yes if you are able to follow me? How was these concepts? Have you gone through all these type of questions ever in your school days or college days? Have you gone through these type of questions ever in your college days or school days? Can you please say yes if you got it or if you gone through that? Let me get some clarity. Have you gone through these type of questions ever? Now we are going to the most beautiful concept. Now we are going to the most beautiful concept. No, sir. No, sir. Okay, okay. Right. So book next one is solving of basic inequalities. What a beautiful basics we are going to learn now. Put heading. Now put heading, the next beautiful concept, solving of basic inequalities. Basic inequalities. Solving of basic inequalities. Right up. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of inequality. How many of you know what is the meaning of inequality? Do you know the meaning of inequality? And you should know what is the meaning of solving of it. So inequality, write down, inequality. 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 That's a beautiful Ravardhan, but a little more you have to get. Inequality. It's an expression connected with. It's an expression connected with the symbols not equal to, greater, lesser, or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. It's an expression which is connected with all these type of symbols. We call it as an inequality. Dear students, do you know why many people with a lot of aspiration in the first year intermediate or in the +1 and suddenly they give up when they comes to the second year about this IIT and mains, BITSAT and top engineering colleges? Do you know the reason is one of the most dangerous part of mathematics is solving of inequalities. These basics will help you to look after the IIT Advance level. These basics will kill the confidence if you don't have properly. Such a beautiful basics, solving of basic inequalities. It's an expression connected with, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. This is one of the most beautiful concept of our C-210 concepts. This we can take it as concept 2. This we can take it as concept 2. Are you getting what I'm saying? So example is, I have something called 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Is this equality or inequality? Is this is an equality or inequality? This is what? It's an equality. It's an equation we can call. This is an equation we can call. Is it right, students? But when I club these things with the symbols like this, like this, like this, or like this, or like this, we call that as an inequality. There is a small slight difference to solve inequality and to solve equations. To solve equations and to solve inequalities, there is a small difference we have to follow here. Different small approaches we have to follow here. Students, are you able to follow me? Write down here. To solve inequality, inequalities, we have to know about intervals. We have to know about intervals. So put the subheading interval. Intervals, subintervals. We should know what is the meaning of intervals and subintervals. We know this is called real number line. Right? Try to follow me very carefully. This right side is called maximum value as plus infinite and minimum value as minus infinite. And in between we get one beautiful number from India called 0. 0 is a beautiful number from India. This right side part is called positive real numbers. Write the notes very carefully. Positive real numbers. And this left side part is called, this blue I can call it as negative real numbers. And this 0 is called non-negative and non-positive number. Non-negative and non-positive number. Are you able to follow me? So here is the beautiful thing. See, when I'm teaching this basics, many are feeling that I know, I am Topu, I am Totakura, something like that. No. Those who will neglect basics, they will struggle for math like anything. I know because I have seen many of the students. Yours is 13th batch. Many will struggle like anything when we are solving tough conceptual advanced questions in the coming days. Because base matters. Without base, it's very difficult to become boss in any field, whatever you take. Basics is equal or base is equal boss. If you want to become boss in mains, advanced, page, you should have base. Without basics, it's impossible to become boss in any field you take. And do you know, those who have basics, they will work very less. Those who don't have basics, they will work very, very hard. I don't know who you are. I don't know what's your aspirations, but my students should become the bosses of their particular field in their aspiration or ambition, whatever they have. So take it. Come to here. This real number line generally we'll call like this. If it is like this, positive, x positive. This side it is called x. X positive, x negative. Got it? This is what? X. Got it up? Next one. So this real number line can be divided into few parts. So dividing the real number like this, dividing the real number like this is called what you know. This part is an interval, this part is an interval, and this part is an interval. So dividing like this, a real number line from minus infinite to plus infinite few parts is called an interval. And each these parts are called an interval or subinterval also. When I consider this as an interval, the part between them is called subintervals. Are you getting them? Are you following me? So dear students, these intervals are generally three types. One is called open interval OI, closed interval CI, semi-open interval or semi-closed interval like this. Can you write clearly? Intervals are three types. Open interval, closed interval, semi-open interval or semi-closed interval. And these open intervals are denoted with the symbols like this: circle, semicircle, in between comma. These closed intervals are represented like this: square, half of squares, semi-squares, and in between comma. Semi-open interval means either this way, one side closed, one side open, or they will write left closed, right open. How many of you got this representation? Have you got it? Have you got it? What a beautiful basics, dear students. Those who don't know these basics will struggle like anything. That's my experience is saying. Note, when you're writing numbers, then numbers in the interval always write least value in the left side, what you have to write? Least value. And right side, greatest value. Right side greatest value, left side least value. Are you getting? Example, is this is correct? Which of these two are correct? Among these two, A is correct or B is correct? A is correct because this is least, this is highest. Greatest, least. So violating the rule. Got it? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following are correct? Can you say the correct way of writing an interval? Least to highest. Option A is correct. Option B is wrong, even though it is least to highest. Even though least to highest, option C also wrong. Option D obviously wrong because it is highest and this is least. Dear students, why B and C are wrong? No. B and C are wrong. The reason is at plus or minus infinite, we should always use only open interval. Reason, we don't know where it is, intervals. How many of you got certain clarity here? Did you learn these beautiful basics in your schools, in your colleges? Give me the correct thing. Did you learn over these type of beautiful basics, dear students? That's why I am saying these 210 concepts will change the preparation of mathematics by all the students who are preparing for IIT Mains, Advance, BITSAT and all the exams. What a beautiful concepts these are. Have you got why B and C we should not use? Because at plus infinite and minus infinite we should always use what? Open intervals. Write the things about intervals clearly. Write it like this. Take down here is open it. Take down here it is closed. Let me teach you all the basics, Nikhil. Open interval and closed interval. Try to learn this. This can be used or this is represented by, denoted by what? Open like this. Closed like this. First point. Following. Second point. This can be used only when you see the symbols like not equal to, less and greater than symbols. When you find the symbols like this in the equation or in equations, you have to use open intervals. You can find the symbols like this. You can use what? Closed intervals. Get it? This will be used only when you get the meaning does not include or doesn't lie. When you get the meaning called doesn't include or doesn't lie between, this can be used when you find included meaning, when you find the meaning included or lies between. Included or lies between. Next point is, right students? The next point is, all right, shall I move to the next? When you find plus infinite or minus infinite, always use open interval, because we don't know where it is, therefore we cannot say that it is included. So we can say it doesn't include, we cannot take it. Here just give dash. Next point, not. When you are writing numbers in the interval, write always from lowest to highest. Least to greatest between the brackets, and always keep comma between them. That's it. And do you know what we call this fellow here, students? This is called left to open, right closed. And this is called left closed and right open. Are you getting what I'm saying? Question number 1, quickly, at least half of the part you should do today questions. Because these basics I'm teaching very slowly, because you people should get perfectly. Following up? Question number 1. Question number 1, solve. Students, solve. Two x plus 1 is greater than or less than 3. That is a very simple question. So when you are solving this, you take one that side, just like whatever A. Do you know how to solve this? When you have equality, you know, now you will take one that side and you will simplify, and you will get x value as 1. Same story, but instead of equality, now you have less than. So same story. 2x is less than 3 minus 1. 2x is less than 2. Now I can cut to 2. So x is less than 1. This is inequality. No. We want to solve, means we have to convert them into intervals. Convert them into intervals. Find the interval in which that real value of x lies. So do you know what is x less than 1 meaning? Look here, I am putting it here. X is 1 here, put that 1 here. And less than 1 means this side, right student? It is from minus infinite to 1. Here is one very important point. When less than is there or greater than is there, you put whole at the point. Whole means does not include. Means open. All right. So this part we require now. Less than 1. So can you convert this in the interval? When you are writing interval, you have to write like this. What we call this, you know, x belongs to. X is lying in that. X belongs to open because least value is minus infinite. Open minus infinite comma. 1. At 1 what I have to use? Closed or open? Closed or open, Ranike? Look here. At 1 we have less than symbol. When I have less than symbol, what are the things I have to use? I have to use open interval. Therefore, my answer is, can you give me the answer is, x belongs to 1, open. That's the proof. Can you quickly give me answers for the following questions? Solve the following quickly. Nikhil, did you realize your mistake now? Can you give me the quick answer? Solve quickly. First one is, second one is, convert them in the intervals. Can you solve all these four? Hello students, it's not so easy like what you are thinking. These are very beautiful concepts. Slowly I am going in depth. First one is, can you give me answer for the first one is? You can get x is greater than or equal to 1, which means x belongs to closed 1 comma infinite. That's beautiful, Rishita. Nikhil, check it. Don't get tempted. Give me correct answer. Give me the correct answer. What about the remaining students? Have you wrote all the questions? Have you wrote all the questions? All right. Second question is, I'm putting here second question, look here. Minus 2 less than 2x minus 1 less than 2. Students, add plus 1 on both sides. We need ultimately x value now. So add plus 1 on both sides. So 2x minus 1 plus 1, it will become 2x. So minus 1 less than 2x less than 3. Divide with 2 quickly. Minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 3 by 2. Therefore, x belongs to. At minus 1 by 2 less than means open. At 3 by 2 less than means open. So the answer is minus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Sri Priya, Rishita, wow, what a good students. Can you go to the third question is? Can you write third question quickly? 3 by 5 into x minus 2. Greater than or equal to 5 by 3 into 2 minus x. Can you solve it? Just simplify it. Feel it as equality and take this 3 that side, 5 that side. 9 times of x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 25 times of this thing. Right? So when you take completely that side, this fellow will become x minus 2 plus 25 into x minus 2. I have taken minus common. So ultimately I am getting something like x minus 2. 34 into x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, which means this is always positive, no worry. So this should be always positive. No? So x minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0 means x is greater than or equal to 2, which means x belongs to closed to comma infinite. How, sir? Very simple, look here. X is 2 greater than or equal to 2. This side I have to consider. What is the highest number you have here? Infinite. So here it is closed, means thick. So answer is x belongs to 2 is included. That's why closed, and infinite is open always. So this will be the answer. About the fourth question is 2x minus 3 by 4 plus 9 is greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. Can you solve it? Can you solve it quickly? Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes, students. Can you solve it quickly? So again, same story now. Send this inside. 2x minus 3 plus 36 by 4 is greater than or equal to 9 plus 4x by 3. Simplify it very carefully. So when I simplify it carefully, 6x plus 99, 36 plus 16x. Can you say anything here? 16x is, I am taking this side and bringing this side. 10x is less than or equal to 60. How much? 63. Can you take it as 63, students? So answer is x is less than or equal to 63 by 10. What is the meaning of it? Less than or equal to 63 by 10 means this is minus infinite, this is 63 by 10. I can write my thing like this. So answer is quick answer. X belongs to open minus infinite comma 63 by 10 closed. All right. Shall I give 4 or 5 questions as a homework? From Monday onwards, you will get our materials and our assignments. Therefore, you can get a printed thing. As of now, you take what? Few questions as a homework. Right up. Homework. Homework. Solve for X. You send answers to completely, once you solved means you have to send things to principal madam, WhatsApp group. Complete your solved notebook, just take a screenshot of it and send it to principal madam. Solve for X. And I will check it. Be very serious about your dream. This is the first question. Solve for this. Next one is all right. Just a moment. Just a moment. I'm giving very beautiful question. Yes. Two x minus 3 by 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 3. Solve this thing. Right up. Next one is minus 3 less than 2x minus 1 less than 19. And fourth one is and fifth one is right, students. So for today I think it's enough, and we will do more in tomorrow's class. Can you please say your valuable suggestions or anything that required to improve you to get more benefit to you? Students, please say your valuable suggestions, and if you like our classes, please do suggest it to your friends and your whatever the juniors or seniors, whoever you have. And this batch is called Target 22 CC1. All right. This batch will start originally from Monday. Schedule is from Monday. These are trial classes. Those who want to join with this for MPC or for individual subjects, you just say hi to this number. Hi, Target 22. To this number on WhatsApp. Our people will approach you with the fee structures and everything. And I'm giving the best possible free. I'm giving the best possible fee in India. Because I know everyone is struggling. Parents, students, big institutes, everyone is struggling. That's why I'm offering it at very, very low cost. and you can go for individual subjects, math, physics, chemistry, or you can go for MPC. My suggestion is go for MPC because it will benefit you a lot. And especially those who want to join for Max C-210 concepts, you can mention target 22 and C-210 concepts. And the classes will be daily 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. daily. It's daily. And Sunday you will have online exam from our app. Right, students? Great. And we'll meet soon in the regular classes. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Is there any doubt to anyone? That's it. Bye, 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 bye. Take care.